Hello? Well, today we are going to be talking about whether joystick is better than mouse or mouse is better than joystick. Right now, I have a mouse plugged in, and we have Maven as usual. He's excited. Okay, we are going to use our joystick, and we're going to just do a simple take off. Can we change our aircraft at least? So Microsoft Flight Simulator is updated, so now there's lots of other new planes. We'll just go with our usual Airbus. Yeah. Okay. Fine with me. We're gonna close and we're gonna look for an airport. Let's take off flight conditions. Okay.
Can I
We'll
take off
take
at Dubai?
that's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a airport. So we'll just do some gates. Ramp. Okay. Departure. Departure. Okay. Departure. Okay. Yeah. So let's just fly off this runway. Now we're using a joystick. We can use this as departure and we can fly. So we're gonna taxi also. I'm curious about the airport. Okay. This is so good. Hurry up. Oh. Maven, what are your words? We're ready. This is not Earth. I want the different screens. Screen camera. So you still have to use a mouse when you're using joystick, but it gives you an opportunity to use mouse. So we're just gonna begin our taxiing. I can't see. Okay, so we're gonna start the engine. 11. So we click that to release parking button. Then we tune our ATC. We can start our engines by clicking. Why is it giving me the keyboard? I want to use my mouse. See, the rudder is moving, so I'm just gonna click CTRL-E. Now my engine has started. I want sound. It's too late. I started the engine, right? That's why we need sound. Let me go back in cockpit. The engine has started. I want the radio now. ATC. Tune Dubai. Okay. Taxi. So first you request your taxiing. I think we should just skip this. Just want to see. Ready already. I give up. Honestly, let's just restart. Quit fight. Menu, yeah. Well, let's restart because. So we're gonna go back to our world map. We just want to take off. Departure, fly. So now we're using joystick. This joystick cost $50 on Amazon. You're supposed to be a commentator, Maven.
Was I?
Yeah.
Since when?
Sweet. Hurry up.
Well, this thing is taking a long time.
We're ready to fly. Yay.
Are you serious doing that?
Yeah, let's get back to our normal voice. We're out and we're gonna release our parking brake. You just have to click a button and then you just have to go throttle. I put the engine at max.
This may be a crash, I think. 'Cause as you know, he's a bad person at flying this plane.
Very funny.
Yeah.
So the plane's on the runway and take off. So the thing with the joystick is you can take off whenever you want, even if it's a stall. So now we can turn easy. Let's release the landing gear
And then.
and then we can turn.
Mhm.
We should have used a bigger plane. So then we just turn. It's easier. You can retract your flaps. It's not like you have to. And if you want to go in and use the interactive method, camera, cockpit. So now we can just gonna X that out. See, you have it's interactive, so you can. What should we do? D. What is going on? Let's get back to flying the plane, shall we?
You can't even see what while you're flying.
See, that is easy. It's easy to move with joystick. You can just like. So let's try mouse, okay? So let's leave where. How? Yeah, let's pick up main menu. Let's leave. Wait, cancel. Wait, let's restart. Now I'm gonna take out the joystick. And now we're gonna fly without. All we have is a mouse and keyboard. So we're gonna have to click CTRL. Remember on the joystick, I had to click 6. Now we have to click CTRL and pave number. What does that mean? Just any number?
I think
Oh
I
wait.
have to click
So
one.
let's just do it. Wait. We need to return view. This is gonna take a long time. Oh, wait. Reset. We need to reset. Oh, how do we reset? Reset position. X that out. And then we're gonna parking brake. There we go. See, it's impossible to find it out now. Let's go out to outer camera. We're gonna press F3. And to control, we have to use 8 and 2. So see, are we turning? You're turning. Oh, there we go. We have a takeoff. Dang, we have a tail. Shoot. Damn, damn. We're dead. Okay, that's it. Wait, are we flying? We're flying. So the good thing about mouse is that they name like if it's brakes they press C, you press B. If it's gear you press G. So let's press gear. We're just turning. Okay, we're gonna crash. And plus, it's with keyboard. It's slow. It will take time to react. So now we're just gonna crash. It's not like we have anything to say about it. There, we're dead. Okay. So it's settled, guys. Joystick is easier. So get a joystick if you're playing Microsoft Flight Simulator. That's my words. So goodbye. Remember to click the subscribe button and share and like.
Wait, they're
Okay,
telling them
bye.
to spend their money?
Of course, why not?
I,
Goodbye.